Guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today is a Monday and it is the boys' official first day in school. School started last week Wednesday, but because we recently just moved, the process of having to look for a new school for them and all of that, so we have finally concluded that process and today is their first day. So we've just dropped them off at school and I'm home alone. You guys, I'm home alone. Daniel has started reception, so he's now attending school at the same time his brother attends school, and then we pick them up at 4:15, including after school club. You guys, I can't even begin to tell you what a relief it is. But anyway, you guys, welcome to the vlog. I hope you guys enjoy watching today's vlog. Yes, let us get on with the day. If you are new here, do want to click on the subscribe button. Remember to turn on your pom-pom notifications. That way you get notified every single time we upload a new content here, which is at least once every week. Alright, you guys, I'm hungry. Let's go and make breakfast. Alright, you guys, so welcome to this segment of the video. This segment has probably been sponsored by Fitville. The OGs on the channel already know that we've done a previous unboxing for Fitville before. They sent us 3 shoes in the past. Now, for those who are just hearing about Fitville, Fitville caters to a wide range of people. Their shoes are not just for people who walk, run, or hike. They are also for people who stand for long, who walk for long. They also cater to diabetics and they also cater to arthritic patients. So if you have people who struggle with ankle pains, joint pains, especially in their feet region, this is a must-have for everyone who's in that category. I absolutely love their shoes, and one of the major selling points for me is the fact that they have the wide feet option. For someone like me, I have wide feet and I also struggle to find my shoe size anytime I go shoe shopping. So this is one of the great options for me when it comes to footwear, especially trainers. They have a ton of shoes, hiking shoes, running shoes to choose from. They also have a little section for children as well. They do some Crocs and some really amazing styles. You guys will do yourself a world of good if you go on their website. Click on the link in my description box. I will be sure to list out for you, as well as my discount code, so you guys can benefit from amazing discounts anytime you shop on their website. Alright, you guys, so that is it for this unboxing. But thank you again to our friends over at Fitville for sending us these amazing shoes. I cannot wait to rock them and go on long hikes and walks in this area. Let's get on with the rest of today's video. I will and welcome back to the channel. Today is a Thursday and the boys have just gone to school. My husband has also gone to work, so it's just me at home. So today my job hunt continues. So anyway, guys, yesterday was a content day, so I did nothing but create content, and then in the evening I continued to apply for jobs. Also today, you guys know that our village house is powered by kerosene, so they're coming to deliver kerosene to us today to fill up our tank. Alright, so right now I just want to see if I can work out for a while because I have been procrastinating and my body's starting to ache me. You know, like the whole intensity of moving and unpacking and then rearranging everything together. As soon as that slowed down, my body started to ache me, so I knew that it was because I had slowed down my activities. So I want to see if I can get some miles in or mileage in with our exercise bicycle and just try to get rid of some of these aches because it's really starting to get unbearable. I really hate doing planks, but they give the best results. I can't even argue. But anyway, you guys, after that quick workout, I'm just going to go ahead and make myself a quick smoothie using my fat metabolizer and the hunger buster. I'm also going to be adding that to my blend, my slender blend. These are the products that I got from Protein World. I did an unboxing for them a while ago, and I just like to pop the supplements into the smoothie itself, give it a good shake, and just sit down after workout. And one thing I really love about the fat metabolizer is that it gives heat. You know, you start feeling heat from inside. But anyway, you guys, as I was just trying to cool off, I heard the doorbell and I knew that the people bringing the oil had come, so I had to let them in. Yes. The people for the oil are here.
Oh, just in here, yeah?
Just here.
Yeah, no bother at all, that's great.
Is it possible to help me check the gauge once you're done?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
When I fill it up, I'll tell you roughly where it's at.
Alright.
Yeah.
Thank you, please.
Get the hose, I won't get there.
Alright. Oh, the accent here is different too. The accent is different. It's a lot clearer though. I don't mean it's different as in bad, but it's a lot clearer. I came in the house to put on my slippers because I went out barefoot. I need to put on my slippers. So the guy is just going to get the hose to refill the oil. So the tank has been filled now. The guy is still out there. He's going to print me out a ticket. And apparently the tank can take a lot more than what we ordered, but at least this should get us through winter. But you guys, so it's going to print me out. It's going to print out a ticket for me and put it through in the letterbox. Well, you guys, it's almost 10 o'clock. Ish, I need to go and take my bath. So you guys, the house is powered by the heating oil, which is quite different from what we used to have in Darlington, which was the gas. So whenever it was time to pay our bills, we would pay our bills with electricity and gas. But here in the village, what we do is buy and fill up our tank with our heating oil, and that is what is combusted into energy, and that's what we use to power our hot water and the radiators. So far the only disadvantages that I know for the heating oil is obviously the cost. We'll go into the breakdown of how much it costs and everything in a separate video. So it's the cost. Obviously you stand a chance of spillage because it's gas. It's also flammable. But please, except it's when they are putting the oil inside the tank. Who wants to go and use fetcher to draw the oil out and be doing experiments? It's not actually possible, in my own opinion. You also stand the chance of air pollution because it's combustion, so it's going to be polluting the air, and obviously maintenance will be another cost if if you were to break down or something like that. But I just wanted to bring that to your attention because I don't think we've spoken about it. And yeah, that's just a quick explanation of how we are using kerosene or heating oil, as they call it here, to power the house. So we're on our way back from church, and I just stopped in the middle of nowhere to buy onions. Literally in the middle of nowhere. You guys, we're living in the village. Believe me when I tell you that where we are living here, it's a wonderful place. It's sweet. Life is not sweeter than this. Where will I see onion to buy? I will not be entering supermarket. It's in the bush, fresh from the market, fresh from the farm. Alright, I don't believe I've made this on the channel before, but this is the pancake mix from Protein World. They also sent this when they sent the Slender Blend, and this is the recipe. It's just to add water, and that is it. This is the chocolate chip flavor, and the recommended serving is just 4 scoops into 40 ml of water, but I added a little more water because I wanted my pancakes a bit thin. So I'm just making that with eggs and some hot dogs, and I'm going to be adding pepper to it because what am I eating if it's not spicy? Anyway, to that I'm just going to be making a cup of hot coffee because I don't know, I never thought I would get back into coffee, but here I am. But anyway, you guys, once that is ready, I'm just going to be drizzling on some syrup onto the pancakes, and that is basically it. I'm just going to eat and catch up on my series, and then it's search for jobs all over again, and then I'm just going to continue with editing more videos so that I can at least have content on ground. Anyway, that was me sprinkling on some rosemary because I just like to have some herbs on my food. And for lunch/dinner, because the boys usually have lunch in school, I'm just making pasta here. So while I was cooking, because I got carried away with all I was doing, the boys and my husband came back from school and work, and yeah, this is just me welcoming them. Thank you guys for watching the vlog up until now. I've absolutely enjoyed the conversations we've had in the comment section on this whole relocation to the village series. I am truly grateful to every one of you who have taken time out to watch the video, to engage. You guys, the love has been massive. I honestly wasn't expecting this amount of attention because it's kind of an unexplored area, really. So anyway, you guys, I just wanted to tell you how grateful I am for all of your engagement. I see it and I'm grateful. Thank you so much for, the comments, the prayers, especially for those of you who are already here. I mean, I didn't even know that this amount of people. That's why I keep encouraging you guys. If you are thinking of opening up a YouTube channel, please do so. You don't know what your content will be doing to help people and just better enlighten people about other parts of the UK, because it feels like most people are just concentrated on one spot, which is like the city or the heart of town. But anyway, you guys, enough of my rambling. Thank you again. I just wanted to reiterate how grateful I am for all your support. I am truly grateful. Thank you guys for watching. If you watched up until this point, please don't be a stranger. Do well to like the video and share it with your family, friends, on your WhatsApp groups and everything. It does a lot to help my analytics and also get other people to see this video. Please, let's keep spreading the word. Also, a massive thank you to Fitville for sponsoring this video. I am truly grateful. I also want to say a huge thank you to all the brands who have been patient with me through this relocation process. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Goodbye.